Hello and welcome to the Sustainability Squad channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the importance of recycling and how to do it properly. If you're new to the channel, we're glad you found us. Our videos cover topics like recycling, renewable energy, and ways to reduce our impact on the planet. Like and subscribe to join us on this journey and learn about how you can help save the planet. Thanks for watching. Did you know that when we recycle, we're helping to protect the environment and conserve natural resources? When we throw things away, they often end up in landfills where they can take hundreds of years to decompose. But when we recycle, we can turn old materials into new products, which helps to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Recycling also helps to save energy. It takes less energy to make products from recycled materials than it does to make them from raw materials. For example, it takes less energy to make a can from recycled aluminum than it does to make a new one from raw aluminum. Recycling is also good for the economy. It creates jobs and helps to support local businesses. Here's a fun fact about recycling. Did you know that recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours? That's a lot of energy saved just by recycling one little can. So how can you get involved in recycling? One easy way is to separate your recyclables from your trash and put them in the appropriate recycling bins. But it's important to recycle properly, as different materials need to be handled in different ways. Here are some tips on how to recycle different categories of materials. Paper. This includes things like newspapers, cardboard boxes, and office paper. Make sure to remove any plastic bags or wrapping, and flatten cardboard boxes to save space. Plastic. This includes things like bottles, containers, and packaging. Make sure to empty and rinse out plastic containers and remove any lids or caps. Glass. This includes things like bottles and jars. Make sure to empty and rinse out glass containers. Metal. This includes things like aluminum cans, steel cans, and foil. Make sure to empty and rinse out metal containers and remove any lids or caps. Compost. This includes things like food scraps, paper towels, and yard waste. Composting helps to turn these materials into a rich soil amendment that can be used in gardens and farms. Here are some things to keep in mind when getting ready to recycle. First, check with your local waste management company or municipality to find out what materials are accepted for recycling in your area. This will typically include items such as paper, cardboard, plastic bottles and containers, glass bottles and jars, and metal cans. If they do not have a composting service, contact some local compost businesses or, if you are up for it, try doing it yourself in your backyard. Purchase recycling bins or bags for your home. It's a good idea to have separate bins or bags for each type of recyclable material. You can also use bins or bags specifically designated for composting organic materials, such as food scraps and yard waste. Start separating your recyclables from your trash. As you use items, place them in the appropriate recycling bin or bag. Make sure to empty and rinse out containers and remove any lids or caps. Place your recycling bins or bags at the curb on designated pickup days, or take them to a local recycling center. Encourage others to recycle. Share information about the benefits of recycling with your friends, family, and community, and encourage them to join you in your efforts to reduce waste and protect the environment. Remember, every little bit counts. Participating in beach and park cleanups can also be a great way to make a difference and show that we care about the environment. When we go to the beach or a park, we might see litter and other debris lying around. This can be harmful to animals and the environment because they might mistake it for food, and it can also leach chemicals into the soil and water, contaminating everything around it. By helping to clean up these spaces, we can remove the litter and keep the beach and park clean and healthy for everyone to enjoy. For bonus points, recycle the waste that you have removed. So next time you go to the beach or a park, bring a bag and some gloves and join in on a cleanup. Now we know that by recycling and reducing our waste, we can all play a part in protecting the environment and conserving natural resources for future generations and how we can impact the world starting today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for future content on how to be an environmental champion.